So as you can see, it's full of water. Switch is off right now. Plugged in. Don't mind my bathroom, it's a mess. I'm a bachelor. What do you want from me? Okay, so here's the deal. Turn it on. So normally you would see this thing float up to the top, and then you get some steam or humidity out of it. Cool mist humidity. So I'm gonna turn it on full blast. Now look, it's trying to humidify. It's spitting a little bit of water, but ain't no humidity coming out. And I'm thinking, well, maybe it'll start humidifying. So I put the lid on and I wait, and I wait, and I wait, and it never starts. So there's definitely something wrong with this. I don't know what it is, but it sucks.
I'm sorry. The room